Welcome. In this video, we will continue from our previous video. In our previous video, we added a new worksheet, renamed our new worksheet, and pasted the data that we copied on the new sheet. Now, if you notice from the previous video, when we copied the data, the date field in column J did not keep the same format. Now, in this video, we will update the same code to change the format back to a date format. Let's look at our code and make our updates. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We appreciate your support. Link to our Cash App is below.